Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the network and internet section. Here the first you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Now just to activate the Wi-Fi you should click here on the ones on the switcher. Now you can see that the Wi-Fi not connected, so tap here and you can see here all the available networks. Now we can select one from this network and just to connect. For example, click here to this one. I'll go with this network. So here you should enter the password to this network. In my case that's from 1 to 8. Now just if you want to see the password to have no some mistakes, just click here to this checkbox to show the password. After that just check that, and if always everything is good, it's okay, so click here to the connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select the another one, for example just like this one. Here just enter this by the same way the password, tap to connect, and you'll use this network, and after that you'll have just saved 2 passwords, and you can just watch and use just 2 networks, not together, but you can switch between them if you want. And by the same way you can select just more and just connect to more Wi-Fi networks here. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi here, if you can forget this network, for example previously one, if you don't want to save the password, click here to forget. Wait a second, and now you can just turn off the Wi-Fi switcher here, and by this way we'll turn off the Wi-Fi on your device. Here you can see that we stay only with one saved network password here, and that's it. Thank you just for watching. But also I have the second way how we can do that. First, I think that's the simplest way. So just open the notification panel here, and right there you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi only once click here on this icon. By this way you will activate, and just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and now you can see that we just launched the Wi-Fi settings. By the same way now just select one from the networks, enter the password, connect, and use Wi-Fi and that's it. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, sure click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.